Alright, what's up YouTube? Today I'm finna show you how to make your own little power system, put a little power bank. You're gonna get one of these. They call them inverters. I'll put the rack right now. I bought it off of, I think it's either Amazon or Temu, but it came with the cables already. Some do, some don't. If you don't get it with the cables, you can kind of make it yourself with some like marine grade wire. I heard marine grade is the best to use for it. Don't mind the mess. I was checking something out earlier. But you need that. You need your little 12-volt battery. Preferably if you need a little small. This one I got from Academy. It's a game winner. I think this was like under $20, $15 to $20, somewhere around there. It's rechargeable. This one to have is a rechargeable battery. Got a charger I got off of Amazon that I use to recharge it. You need your ammo crate or just a good tight seal box in general to store it in. You know, that's lockable, preferably so it don't fall out or bounce around. And you're gonna need you some clips to go with it. I got my stuff. This whole little kit I got from Harbor Freight for a decent price. No, I think it was like $10. We're gonna get to it though, so stay tuned. I'll be right back. We're gonna try to drill a hole right in here to put this in. Might have to cut some excess stuff away to get it, but we're gonna see. We'll be back. Like to trim that a little bit out the way. Hold up there. Alright, there we go. Let's see how much we're gonna have to take out. It should be a tight fit. You don't have to knock too much, huh? Right there, let's trim the rest of that out. Alright, y'all, your boy back. Give me a better knife. Trim this. Now, look. Let's see. Well, it's not a whole lot we gotta take off. Back piece off. I'm gonna trim a little bit on the side. Right here. That's really what I want, a tight fit. There we go. I think we probably put it this way. That way it fall down here. Bring it down. Oh, that's perfect. As you can see. Then we take the wires, come with it. That's a negative. Make sure you put the wire. Well, the guy with a negative and a positive, so this is the negative side. Man, the cutting is. And I got some different type of adapters. So on that sort of slide on the battery a lot easier. This will come with a little fuse right here, so it's easier to keep it turned off if you want to. Somewhat easier. You just gotta unplug it. Positive on. Slide the case over. Do that. Chop it. Turn the wire down. Trim axis. Should look pretty much like that. And since this is red for the hot wire, we got us a red cup. We're gonna twist your wires together. Where you put it in there. That's pretty good. You can see you got some wire right there. So we put it down to the left. Oh, this one was bad. I'll try another one. Get another one without the kit. I might try to make a little bit more wire. Be right back. I'll turn off with a little bit more wire. Get this puppy out here. Ooh, in my face. Well, there we go. So, got our hot stand on. Got a hot wire. And we got a negative wire. Take this one off. Grab it. Just cut yourself. Just something on one back some excess. Typically, if you get it like that, you typically just twist it and it'll come off, and it twists your wire together for you already. little blue pump. Oh, that's not even blue. I'm supposed to be using. Oh, it is blue. Oh, small. What? I don't like a little bit too much. All that right there. It should be alright. And now you should have everything you need. So you're gonna see if this puppy turn on red. So you can see red light goes to the red. And the black goes on the black. Actually, so we're about to see it. Make sure it's upside down, and I don't really care. You can still turn it if you wanted to. For me, it's no big deal, but see if it actually charges something. It should turn on if it does. Charging. There you go. Got ourselves cheap, easy power bank. I'll take that. There you go. Thanks for watching. Hope it helps.